My name is Miranda Auhl. I live in State College, Pennsylvania, so that's the East Coast of the US. And I am a developer advocate for Timescale. Essentially, my work is to help create content for developers so that they can be as successful as possible with Timescale DB, Postgres, and really just tech at large. I actually studied secondary math education and also just pure mathematics, leaning towards the theoretical side of mathematics. My original goal was to actually go into teaching at a high school level. As I was doing my training and got into more and more mathematics courses, particularly the more like theoretical side of things, I just really found that I loved it. And so that's whenever I added the mathematics major, the kind of pure mathematics. It's honestly closer to philosophy probably than like applied sciences. So I really did not have a tech background. I was far more often in books than even like working with computers. Ryan Booz, who is actually my boss here at Timescale now, oddly enough, he just kind of reached out and gave me an opportunity to intern with him at the company that he was at the time. And I was definitely hesitant at first because when I say I was not into tech, I really mean like I did not have any experience with tech, like none at all. My mom, she was brilliant and like always just encouraging us to step out of our comfort zones and believe that we can achieve like even things that we may not think we can. And so I think that was kind of like the catalyst for me to step into tech. As soon as I started learning about like databases, because at that job it was primarily in like the data science and back-end database realm. And so as I was learning about it and just like teaching myself, I just loved it. I found that it was something that I did not expect to love. It was something that was not ever on my radar. Going back to my mom, she was so good at encouraging us and driving into like me and my sister that we can do whatever we put our minds to, and to not listen to the lies that we often tell ourselves. Really challenge, like step into challenge and possibly like discomfort. And also just like the love of learning. I think that that's a really important thing that I received from my mom in particular. For me, one of my biggest challenges is honestly my own mind. I definitely tend to be pretty self-conscious at times and have imposter syndrome, really fighting against those like parts of me and reminding myself like people's like positive feedback like within the workspace, and reminding myself like, I am capable of doing this. I'm strong, I'm powerful, and I have a right to be here. And I think that preaching that to yourself is, at least for me, been a huge way that I've kind of combated the fear. I would just really encourage, like, there are better places and there are better communities. And I think that finding those people and finding those spaces, whether that's like leaving the job that you're at and trying, a new job, which like, for me, coming to Timescale and having like a really awesome, encouraging community that's like just so empowering. It was so refreshing. First off, like 100%, you can do this. Maybe I should say it into the camera. You can do this. Like you have the skills, and if even the things that you may not have skills on, like you can learn them. And I 100% like full-heartedly believe that.